It is in the tenure of this administration that we successfully transitioned from analog to digital television and radio, resulting in the country being home to 130 TV stations, up from 14 in 2013. 204 radio stations, up from 130 in 2013. These impressive figures do not lie, and this does not factor the massive expansion of the digital space that has seen many hundreds of thousands of Kenyans successfully monetize various digital communication avenues. Ndio unaona wengine wananitukana kila siku. Ni sawa tu, waendelee. Ni haki yao. Besides jobs, through our expansion of the digital space, the government has enabled small and medium enterprises, regional, community, and church-based broadcasters throughout the country to create niche routes for direct engagement.